The number one advice we would give for producers starting out is to not be afraid to experiment, but also at the same time, keep elevating your taste. You need to improve your taste through means of referencing, through means of maybe picking up music theory, and also just listening to a vast genre, just cast a wide net when you're listening to music, and not just the genre you like. I think that's one of the key advice we could give to producers. Hey guys, we are Slumberjack.
And check out our brand new course for FaderPro and Monstercat. This course is going to give you an insight into our production process, the types of samples we choose, the processing we choose to do. We will be taking you through a handful of our already released tracks and showing you key elements from each of them and how we created them, as well as recreating a brand new track of ours from scratch for you to see.
And a thing that we hope you will learn from this course is that most of the time, your favorite music producers are just experimenting. There is no rule of thumb, there is no formula, and we just hope you're having fun watching this video.
One of the things we still really enjoy in the production process is coming across little happy accidents where we might make a mistake, but the sound that comes out is really unique and special, and it becomes the seed which grows into the whole idea for a new track. We kind of realized that music production is all just about experimentation and having fun and doing what sounds right regardless of what the numbers say. And the most important thing has to remain creating excellent music and being excited about making excellent music.